I am here with part 2 of life changing products. These are literally under 300 rupees and no ये कोई ऐवे से product नहीं है. These products are going to be very useful. I am sure. Just hear me out and I know आजकल attention span सबका बहुत कम है. So without further ado, I will start talking about the products. And yes, if you haven't watched part 1, I am linking it in the description box below. Go and watch that as well. And now let me actually get started. Is this sticky cover which you can put at the back of your phone, and it is not just for content creators. मतलब अगर आप हो तो well and good, get this one. It will be very easy. I shoot almost all of my content with this. मेरा तो tripod भी टूट गया है, तब से मैं बस इसी के सहारे हूँ. बट इवन इफ यू लाइक टू टेक पिक्चर्स, यार हम अभी फैमिली ट्रिप पे गए थे एंड देयर वर अ लॉट ऑफ प्लेसेस जहाँ पे कोई भी नहीं था फोटो लेने के लिए एंड इट केम इन वेरी हैंडी. माई मदर इन लॉ लव्ड इट सो मच दैट शी टुक वन फॉर हर सेल्फ एज वेल. ऑल्सो ना इफ यू सी, जो भी आपने जनरली देखा होगा ये उससे काफ़ी ज़्यादा बड़ा है. जनरली उसमें 3 ही होते हैं, इसमें 5 है. सो दिस इज़ वेरी बिग. दोज आर नॉट वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग. आई वुड सजेस्ट टू गो फॉर दिस वन. 3 वाले बहुत सस्ते हैं बट ऑल्सो फोन्स निकल जाते हैं, सरफेस से ना निकल जाते हैं. यू कैन जस्ट पुट दिस एट द बैक ऑफ योर फोन एंड स्टिक द फोन ऑन द सरफेस और फोन नहीं हिलेगा. मैं इसी से शूट करती हूँ सब कुछ. आई एक्चुअली कॉल्ड फॉर 5 स्टिकी कवर्स अलग अलग ब्रांड से एंड देन आई केप्ट ओनली दिस वन. सो आई एम वेरी श्योर अबाउट दिस. दिस वन इज़ वेरी गुड. थोड़ा एक्सपेंसिव है बाकियों से. You will get 450 में, I think 450 or 350 rupees में you will get 2 pieces of this in different colors. So yes, go and get this. Next is my favorite and the only thing which is above I think 300 rupees, and it is this tumbler. Yes, I know I am obsessed, but I'm not telling you to get this because it is in trend, honestly. But if you get one of these tumblers now, your water intake is really going to increase. मेरे पास टम्बलर्स आई थिंक 2-3 साल से है. पहले मेरे पास एक प्लास्टिक वाला था एंड उस टाइम पे वो बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रेंड में था. बट देन दिस ईयर इन जनवरी आई गॉट दिस. दिस इज़ फ्रॉम हाउस ऑफ क्वर्क. नो, इट इज़ नॉट फ्रॉम स्टैनली. आई कैन नॉट ridiculously spend 7,000-8,000 rupees on just water bottle until unless someone decides to gift me, of course. So I got this. This is leak proof. Plus, it is not just the it girl, that girl, and trendy thing. I'm telling you, this is going to increase your water intake. While I was bride, मैं इसको हर जगह लेके चलती थी. While I was getting ready, ट्रेन में हूँ, प्लेन में हूँ, कहीं भी हूँ, मेरे साथ ये है. पहली बात, ये लीक नहीं होता. Second, the capacity is 1.2 liters. Third, it has a straw, which makes it so easy to sip water. I'm telling you, अगर ये लोगे ना, and if you will be sipping water every now and then and you will not know कि ये कब खत्म हो गया. Get this यार, ये इतना easy. Oh, the best part about this is जिस टेम्परेचर पे आप इसमें पानी डालोगे वो उसी टेम्परेचर पे रहेगा at least for 8 to 9 hours. So this is really good. I love the color. It goes with everything. And this, of course, ये कैप इस पे नहीं आता है. I got this because ये खुला रहता है हमेशा. So I got a pack of 6 which has like different shapes of straw caps and it's very cute as well. It's a Christmas cap. Skin health, gut, headache, stomach ache, everything is water, guys. Water intake has to be proper. मतलब honestly I'm telling you, before this I used to drink just 1 or 2 glasses of water पूरे दिन में. Yes, and now I definitely drink 2 bottles of this. I do, and once I stop, obviously it starts to show up on my skin. But yes, this is a very good investment. A little expensive, like this is for I think 1,200 rupees, but worth every penny. You are doing good to your body. Next is a scalp scrubber. If you've seen my videos, you have seen me use this multiple times. I am addicted to this and my scalp is so addicted to this that every time I wash my hair I need this. And if I don't use this, अगर मैं कहीं और जा रही हूँ और वहाँ पे मैं hair wash कर रही हूँ, मुझे ये नहीं मिल रहा है, then my scalp just doesn't feel clean enough. I highly recommend this to you if you have got itchy, dandruff prone scalp and if your scalp is prone to a lot of build up. You definitely need to get this. Even if your scalp is not prone to build up, I would say you should get this. You can use this after you oil your hair. इससे आपका scalp massage हो जाएगा like this. I use this particularly जब भी मैं shower में होती हूँ shampoo लगाने के बाद, so that I can get rid of every particle of gunk out of my scalp. Guys are also going to love this. अगेन वेरी वेरी बजट फ्रेंडली, 100-150 रुपए में आ जाता है यार. आप जब फर्स्ट टाइम यूज करोगे ना इसे शावर में, while you are washing your hair, while the shampoo is there on your scalp and then you can scrub it, once you are done with your hair wash, your head will feel so light because it just feels very nice. एक तो मसाज भी कर देता है, प्लस सारा डर्ट भी निकाल देता है. So amazing product, definitely get this. And last one is this book, which I'm sure everybody must have heard about, Atomic Habits. I'm mentioning it in this video because this was actually life changing for me. I started reading this book and it made a lot of changes in my life. Changes as simple as मुझे workout करना बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद था. I was not a gym person. अभी भी नहीं पसंद है. Just FYI. I like to dance, I like to do sports activity, but I don't like to go to gym and then मतलब I can't be motivated to go to gym. ठीक है, gym जाके workout करके बहुत अच्छा लगता है, but I'm not the person कि मुझे कल सुबह उठना है, I'm excited to go to gym. I'm not that person. But this book taught me that everything that is difficult for you, you should try and do it in the morning, like in the first half of your day or as soon as your day starts. So I started waking up early. पहली बात, I used to not wake up early. Second thing this book taught me was decision fatigue. Basically, I said I don't like to go to gym, and morning में उठ के ना I used to like sometimes think also कि यार जाऊँ कि नहीं जाऊँ, आज skip करती हूँ. So this book taught me, do not give time to your brain to even think about it, and that keep things ready in the morning कि आप सुबह उठ रहे हो and बस gym जा रहे हो. So that's what I did. रात को ही I used to keep my clothes ready, my water bottle ready, like सब कुछ एक जगह करके रखती थी. And सुबह उठ के I just wake up, brush my teeth, freshen up and wear my clothes and go to gym. Like I don't have time to think कि जाऊँ कि नहीं जाऊँ, that. So it made a lot of changes in my life. These are just the few examples I'm giving you. जब मैंने शुरू के सिर्फ 40 pages पढ़े थे honestly, तब से मैं ये implement कर रही हूँ. And I think everybody should read this book. Everybody knows it's a nice book, but you need to implement it in your life, and I have done it and I'm very very proud of myself. इसीलिए I want everybody to read this. Not just read this, but try to implement it in your life, and yes, this is very very helpful. Yeah, इसीलिए मुझे ये include करना था इस वीडियो में. That's it. I hope this was helpful for you. मैं literally अपने घर में ऐसे घूम रही थी to look for things that has changed my life or that has made my life easier and better, to include things in this video. So I hope this was helpful. There is part 1 as well, so go and watch that. If you like this video, leave a comment. It really makes me happy. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye.